This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, March 22nd, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening. The wonderful storm system that's taking its good old sweet time to get here is over Oklahoma and Texas, streaming Gulf moisture up and into the state from the south and southeast, which will continue for the next few days. Watch warning map from before midnight. Some flood issues south of here over Missouri, Arkansas, down to Oklahoma, Texas, and Mississippi, with winter weather issues across the Pacific Northwest and the Northern Cascades. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through. Monday evening at 7 o'clock shows some heavy amounts of rain over the Gulf Coast, while across the state here, a quarter of an inch over the west to maybe 3/4 of an inch over the east. Taking a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, the upper level low is over Oklahoma, moving slowly our way, still cut off from the main jet stream, and it'll be bringing some scattered showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two across the area, with some decent amounts of rain possible with it. As the storm draws closer, temperatures lower in the 60s and even into the low 70s here on Friday. The low is just to our south. The moisture continues with some scattered showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm then as well. It moves off on Saturday early in the day, so we could see some morning showers with clearing skies late in the day. Temperatures remaining in the 60s to lower 70s, the warmest over the west. Sunday will be dry, sunny, temperatures back into the 70s across the state with plenty of sunshine. So that Sunday will be the best day of the weekend. And Monday to start off the new work week, temperatures jumping back well into the 70s, with the winds beginning to turn around to the south once more, so this warm weather continues even into next week. Tuesday, a storm system draws closer, could bring some scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms with that system. Could we see some severe weather? It's too early to determine that at this time. Wednesday, that storm moves off, could see some early morning showers across the eastern half, with clearing skies late, temperatures dropping back into the 60s to near 70 by that point. A week from today, still pretty much zonal across the country, west-east, no cold air, no real warm air. Well, we've been warm for quite some time, but not record warm air. And some moisture still to our south, some scattered showers and storms to our south, and a new storm slamming into the Pacific Northwest with rain and mountain snow there. A few days later, heading into the 2nd of April, trough over the south and west, a ridge over the east. That's been typical the last couple of days, and it looks like the pattern repeats itself, with the storm system moving closer here on the 2nd with some scattered showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two. Could be some severe weather with this as well, but it's too early to determine that. A few days later, on the 5th, another storm comes in. In fact, this is the same one. It's taking its good old sweet time to get here, but that ridge off to our east is pretty much blocking it from moving too quickly. So we could see some scattered showers and thunderstorms even into the 5th of April. So the first few days of April look quite stormy, with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. And at the end of the forecast, on the 6th, that storm moves off to the east and a ridge begins to develop over the plains and Rockies once more. So that means the warm air is going to continue as the storm moves off, and it's still going to remain above average even into the first week of April. So no changes there, at least for the time being. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Friday.